If there is a single event that has helped me be empathetic, I guess, to the person that's not prepared, it's that personal example of seeing Mom had to struggle for many years. My father had a stroke right before I graduated and ended up passing away 3 years later, and he was only 59 when he passed away. And it was difficult for her, and I saw the pain she had to go through. And much of it, unfortunately, was because they hadn't done any preparation. They just assumed, like everybody, that we're all gonna live to be our full life expectancy. We're gonna meet our retirement. We're gonna have the income that we need. The best laid plans don't always work out. We can hope the sun comes up every day, but we gotta own an umbrella because we know some days it's gonna rain. Okay, so tell me first, what is your ideal retirement vision? What do you wanna do? What do you wanna accomplish? What does it look like? The main focus is to help people in that transition from when they first get ready to retire, they start thinking about it. Once they stop working, they know that the challenges are going to be different. Now they have to live on that money. Now they have to budget differently. They have to think differently. And many people come through a kind of a crossroads where they have to make that decision as to, what do I do? Am I going to have enough money to live? Can I live my whole life? Will this last? How do I manage risk? We help them make that transition. Legacy is, what are you going to leave? How are your kids going to remember you? Is it going to be because you sent them to college? Is it going to be because you left them a boatload of money? Or is it going to be because you spent time with them? Is it going to be because you took them on a cruise? Is it going to be because you spent every year in Disneyland? Whatever that legacy is, it could be memories, it could be money, it could be a whole bunch of things. Different people have different focuses on what that legacy means. My legacy, it's not about the money for me. Really, it's just, are we happy? Do we love one another? Are we happy with the time we spent? Do we have memories? I lost my dad at an early age, and he never knew his grandchildren. I want my grandchildren to know me. If my grandbabies can think Papa was a good man, what a great legacy that is. I just want them to remember that I loved them and that life was better because I was in their life. And that's, I don't know, what other kind of legacy could you leave better than that, right?